Welcome to Jongik's channel. This video features one of the Hanseatic cities in Germany, located in Mecklenburg-Vorpommern, known for its historical old town, added in the UNESCO World Heritage List since 2002, and one of the most frequently visited tourist destinations because of cruises. Together, we're going to discover Wismar, Germany. I hope that you're going to like this video.
I am excited to share this video to all of you, and since I have a 49 euro ticket subscription, I am happy and at the same time privileged that I can be able to travel during my free time to the most visited places here in Germany. So I took the chance and took the train and I went to Wismar. I have noticed that they have a small train station. From there, you can walk going to the city center. You can take a bus actually, but you can enjoy the place more while you are walking. You can do a lot of things such as shopping or stopping at any restaurants and taking pictures of the most scenic places or areas that you can see around, but you can also able to pass by the amazing scenery and historical places. The weather was good during this time, so it was worth my time to go around the place to discover how attractive it is to all the tourists. The Hanseatic city of Wismar is the sixth largest city of the northeastern German state of Mecklenburg-Vorpommern and the fourth largest city of Mecklenburg after Rostock, Schwerin, and Neubrandenburg. The city was the third largest port city in former East Germany after Rostock and Stralsund. Throughout its history, the city has been under control of various German states as well as Swedish Empire. It was part of Sweden from 1648 until 1803, when Sweden officially renounced its claims to the city until 1903. And this Swedish chapter of the city is celebrated annually with a large Sweden celebration. Wismar is a typical representative of the Hanseatic League with its city-wide brick Gothic structures and iconic gabled patrician houses, and was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List alongside the historical old town of Stralsund in 2002. With MB Werften Wismar, the city is one of the three cruise shipping producing locations of MV Werften, along with Rostock and Stralsund, and the shipyard with its tall white blue hull is one of the city's largest employers. St. George, St. Nicholas, and St. Mary's, of which only the tower is left standing, are the three iconic sacred buildings dominating the skyline of Wismar. St. George Church was the place of worship of the rulers and craftsmen of Wismar. The church, which was badly damaged in the Second World War and further deteriorated during the GDR era, was largely rebuilt by 2010. The 80-meter-high tower church of St. Mary's Church is the only remainder of the original brick Gothic edifice, built during the first half of the 13th century. It suffered heavy damage in World War II and was partially razed in 1960 during the East German era. The St. Nicholas, with its very lofty vaulting, built from 1381 to 1460, served as prime examples of Lübeck's St. Mary's Church's architectural influence on the entire region. Northern Germany may not be as popular, but it is packed with picturesque towns and cities that are well worth to visit, including Wismar. With its medieval buildings, a lively harbor, and plenty of lovely shops and attractions to explore, it is worth a visit during your free time. A city walking tour is a perfect way to experience the old town of Wismar and observe its picturesque architecture and history. The town's landscape offers many photo opportunities, and if you feel like getting lost during your travel, you can also visit the Tourist Information Center, where they can give you the many tour packages that they offer within the place. And if you feel tired from walking, take a break and sip a cup of coffee in one of the many restaurants and cafes to choose from. It is so relaxing to stay around the place, especially during a good sunny weather.
Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So do not leave anything for later. Let us embrace the moments as they come, with open heart and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. Until my next travel, this is Jong's channel. Cheers!